Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to send an email with a discount code to all your new subscribers using Shopify. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully set up discount that reaches just the right customers, helping you welcome new subscribers and boost your chances of turning them into loyal buyers. If you're ready to create an enticing offer that feels exclusive and personal, let's dive right in. First, start by heading over to your Shopify admin page. This is your dashboard, the nerve center of your store. If you're not already there, just log in and you'll land on the main admin panel, where you control everything from products to customers. It's always good to double-check you're in the right store if you manage multiple locations. Next up, find and click on the Discounts section in your sidebar. Discounts are a powerful tool in Shopify. They let you create special offers that are easy to track and manage. You'll see a button or link that says Create Discount. Go ahead and click that to begin the setup process. This part is all about creating something new and special for your audience. Now you'll need to select what kind of discount you want. In this example, we're going with an amount off order. This is perfect if you want to give folks a percentage off their entire purchase, making their first transaction more appealing. When you see the option, select it and you're ready to customize the details. For the actual code, click Generate Random Code. Shopify will come up with a unique alphanumeric code for you. This is great because it discourages guesswork and keeps your offer secure. If you want to customize it to fit your brand or the vibe of your store, you can always edit the code, but the random generator is quick and effective. Set the discount value to 15%. This is a sweet spot, generous enough to get attention but sustainable for your margins. If you're ever unsure what percentage to set, think about your average order value and what would feel both exciting for your customer and practical for your business. You want it to feel special but not eat too much into your profits. Now it's time to choose who can use this discount. Under Eligibility, click Specific Customer Segments. This is an important step, so pause for a second and pay close attention. By targeting specific segments, you can make sure your offer only reaches new subscribers, people who haven't purchased from you yet but have already shown interest. Click Browse and you'll see a variety of segments available. Select customers who haven't purchased and email subscribers. This way you're zeroing in on the folks most likely to make their first purchase. Hit Add to lock in your choice. For the next part, set no minimum requirements. That means customers don't need to spend a certain amount to use the discount. They can apply it to any purchase. This removes friction and makes it extra easy for new subscribers to take advantage. You might be wondering about control. How do you stop someone from using the code multiple times? That's where maximum discount uses come in. Limit it to one use per customer. This ensures each subscriber gets the deal one time only, preserving the exclusivity of your offer. If you're worried about abuse or keeping things fair, this is a crucial safeguard. Once everything looks good, double-check your settings and then hit Save. Shopify will confirm your new discount is live and ready to go. Now, whenever someone qualifies, they'll be able to receive and use your special code. And that's it. You've just set up a tailored single-use discount for new email subscribers with Shopify. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and drop a comment below if you have any questions or need help with your next steps. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical tutorials to help you grow your store and connect with your customers. Thanks for watching.